Good morning. I am away at a conference for the next 2 days. You are going to begin your presentation projects. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you will put the presentations together. Thursday, Friday, we will present, and then the end of the 9 weeks. What is the presentation? You are going to explain a historic economic bubble, step by step, but please keep it simple. Do not try to make it complicated. Do not try to cover everything. I'll repeat that. Do not try to cover everything while you're doing your research. Keep it as simple as possible so the audience can understand. I explained the Panic of 1893. I used that as an example to discuss the Federal Reserve. This is a list of bubbles that you could cover. It is not every bubble. You can look up more of these bubbles or panics. Basically, we're talking about sharp increases in the economy and then the subsequent fall of the economy. Panic of 1893, the increase mainly due to railroads, then that oversupply, then the rapid decline. There are various ones on the screen that you can choose from. Some are more fun than others. Some are easier to understand than others. Up to you to choose. You're going to probably want to click around, do a little bit of reading to figure out which one you want to do. Maybe you'll pick one based on one you like or are interested in. Maybe you'll pick the easiest one. So again, you're going to explain through your Google Slides, step by step, an economic bubble. Use pictures, use words. You're going to need a mixture of both. Pictures alone will probably not help you present your presentation. You're going to need text on the screen likely to help guide you, but do not write paragraph after paragraph on the screen and then read that as your presentation. Keep your sentences short, direct, and bullet pointed. I'll repeat. Keep your information, your text, short and bullet pointed, and add pictures that help with the step-by-step process. Add pictures that align with some of the bullet points so that the audience can follow along with the step-by-step process of the rapid increase in the economy and then the subsequent decline. How are you going to do research? Watch YouTube videos. Watch YouTube videos. Type your economic bubble into YouTube. Watch some videos. Don't have time for that? Use a YouTube summarizer. Grab the link to the video. Put it in Magic School. It will summarize and bullet point the key information that you will need. So you'll grab the link from the YouTube video, go over to Magic School's website and use the YouTube summarizer. Paste it in, and it'll give you bullet points. It will give you a summary. It'll give you quicker information that you can process to help guide you along during the first parts, Monday and Tuesday, of your presentation. You can read various websites and articles to get information about the bubble. Or you can also take the link, the URL from the website or the article, and then paste that into the various free AI summary websites. Notebook LM is one. Gemini, ChatGPT. These websites will bullet point the key information from those websites and articles. It will save you time. It'll summarize the key information about that bubble, the increase, and the decline. Do whatever you need to do to work more efficiently. Do whatever you need to do to be more productive. AI is not cheating. It makes us better, faster, more productive. It is a tool. Use the tool. It'll help you process the information and make it easier to get started. Timeline, as I mentioned, I will be gone for the next 2 days at a conference. You should be researching and putting together the beginning parts of your Google Slides on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, we should be wrapping up the creation of the presentation. All information should be processed by then. Videos watched and summarized, already done. We've read the articles, we've read the AI summaries. We have a pretty good idea of how it went up and how the bubble popped. Thursday and Friday, we will get presentations. Those that go first get a higher grade. Thursday and Friday of next week, the last 2 days of the 9 weeks, will be presentations. These do not need to be long presentations. We want to keep these simple. Do not cover every part of a bubble. Often, like in the railroad example of the Panic of 1893, I focused mainly on the situation with the railroads. There was also contributing factors that had to do with the argument between gold and silver specie. I did not get into it. That's too complicated. That's too much. I would have lost you. You do not want to lose the audience. Keep it simple. Don't cover every aspect of the bubble. Find the key contributing factor or factors. Sometimes there might be two things contributing to an increase. Sometimes there may be just one thing that mainly drives the economy upward in that bubble. Don't pick any more than two. Then the decline could have one factor that creates the decline, or there could be two. It is up to you, and it depends on the bubble that you do the research. But do not try to cover tertiary topics, fringe topics. Do not try to include everything, every little tidbit. Just stick to the step-by-step, what made it go up, walk us through it, and then walk us through the down. As you're building your presentation and as you're doing your research, the guiding question should always be in your head: why did the economy go up? Why did the economy go up? That's what the audience wants to know. That's what you want to stick to. Railroads are the next big thing. Railroads are the next big thing. It's going to create jobs. Everybody's going to need to move out west. As I'm researching, as I'm putting together my Panic of 1893 presentation, I'm thinking railroads, railroads, railroads. Stick to that. Stick to that information. Why? Then it's, why did it go down? Why did it go down? How? Step by step. Why did it go up? Give me the step by step to how it went up. That's what you're thinking about. And then, why did it go down? That's always the thought. And that's the point of this presentation. Here's the rubric. It is in Google Slides. It is in Google Classroom. You can check it out. You can read through it. You know how that works. So there it is, bubble presentation Monday and Tuesday. I'll see you soon on Wednesday. I'll be back. We'll keep working on it, and we'll get rocking and rolling on Thursday and Friday with some fascinating educational presentations by the Vantage Junior Class.